To determine the width in units of a rectangle, Jamal uses a calculator to divide the area of the rectangle by its length. The result on the calculator is shown below, 3.1888888888889. Okay? Which value is most likely the exact width in units of the rectangle? Now, there's a lot of options that you could do here. You are allowed to use a calculator with this problem, and I think probably the smartest move would be to go to Desmos or your graphing calculator, type all of these in, and see which one of these gives you that. But I'm going to approach this without the use of a calculator. First off, what I'm going to do is rewrite this guy as 3.18 repeating. You know, your calculator is going to stop at one point, so I'm going to review it like that. Now let's think place value thoughts. This is 3, so I'm going to write 3 as 3. Now this is 1/10. Think place value 1/10. So I'm going to add 1/10. Now normally when you have a number repeating, you put that number over 9. However, this is in the hundredths place value, so we're going to put 8 over 90. Tricky, 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 tricky. So, all right, I mean, I could do the math here. This isn't going to be so bad. I mean, if, again, I'm using this without a calculator because I can. I know 3 is going to be 3. Nothing crazy happens there. I need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 9. So this becomes plus 9 over 90 plus 8 over 90. Now I can combine these two fractions, and so this whole thing will get me 3, and 9 plus 8 is 17 over 90. So the answer is going to be B. Now again, what I said at the very beginning is the easy way to do this would be plug all of these into your calculator, see which one of those gives you that. And maybe even some calculators, I'm not sure if Desmos would do it or something like that. If you were to type out 3.18888888888 and try to convert it into a fraction, that might work too. I don't know. But this is how you would do it if a calculator is unavailable.